In this video, we are going to analyze the error code E4 in air conditioning units. Let's begin by explaining that the highest temperature in an air conditioning system is found at the compressor's discharge. For this reason, it is crucial to ensure that this temperature value remains within an acceptable range without endangering the compressor, as this directly impacts the equipment's lifespan. To achieve this control, modern air conditioning systems are equipped with a temperature sensor located on the thinner pipe of the compressor, known as the compressor discharge thermistor. This thermistor's function is to inform the electronic control board, located in the outdoor unit, about the temperature value at this point. It does so through a property that allows it to decrease its electrical resistance as the temperature increases. This change in resistance generates a voltage variation in the current signal, which is then interpreted by the unit's external control board. Some brands that associate the E4 code with compressor discharge temperature are Fujitsu, Trane, Sharp, Electrolux, Kelvinator. Below, we present the steps to resolve the E4 error code in the mentioned brands. 1. Turn off the unit and disconnect it from the power source. Wait for several minutes, turn the unit back on, and check if the error persists. 2. If the error continues, perform a visual inspection of the outdoor unit. Check the coil's cleanliness and the proper functioning of the fan. It is recommended to clean the coil to improve the unit's efficiency. Additionally, ensure that the fan blades rotate freely when the unit is off. 3. Check the condition of the pipes and their proper insulation. 4. If the unit has been serviced recently, remember that excess refrigerant can increase temperatures, increase power consumption, and raise gas pressure. Use a clamp meter to measure the current draw and compare it to the nominal value. Using a manometer, verify that the pressure is not above 120 psi for units operating with R32 or R410A refrigerants. 5. Check the correct positioning of the sensor on the compressor's thin pipe and inspect the condition of the cables. Ensure that the cables connecting the sensor to the control board are in good condition. 6. If the error persists, turn off the unit, disconnect the sensor, clean the connections, and reconnect it. Then, turn the unit back on and check if the error persists. 7. Use a multimeter to measure the sensor's electrical resistance. With the unit off, disconnect the sensor and measure the resistance on the kilo-ohm scale. The resistance value should be neither zero nor infinite. 8. Rub the sensor with your hand to check the variation in resistance. The resistance value should decrease when rubbing the sensor. If you have the sensor's resistance table from the unit's manual, compare the measured values with those in the table. 9. If the error persists, consider replacing the sensor. If the problem continues, it is possible that the fault lies with the external control board.